the Japanese way of prayer, Inori. In many countries, prayer is often understood as asking God for help or forgiveness, a religious act with specific intentions. But the core of Japanese prayer is gratitude. Behind this lies the spirit that has continued for more than 10,000 years since the Jomon period, a deep reverence for nature known as animism. The sun, the rain, the earth, the wind. Japanese people have long felt life in all of nature and nurtured a way of living rooted in gratitude for this connection. That is why Inori is part of everyday life in Japan. Before a meal, we say itadakimasu. After a meal, we say gochisou-sama. These words express gratitude for the blessings of nature, for the people who grew the food, who prepared it, and for our ancestors who passed life down to us. And through my work in nature healing, there is a prayer I hope you cherish the most. It is the prayer offered to your own precious life. Because your very existence is part of the great nature and the vast network of all living beings. If you'd like, let's experience this together now. Gently bring your left and right hands together in front of your heart and say, "Thank you, my precious life." Take a slow breath and feel that gratitude spreading gently from your heart into every cell. And lastly, thank you for your precious life. From January 1st, I will be sharing the Japanese Year's journey every day for 30 days. If you want to create the happiness year of your life, subscribe now so you can receive day 1.